So what's the expectation of the short latency? We would like to realize the higher sensing accuracy and realize the short shape information routing, and finally to realize the higher C integration to provide the integrated communication service. But what's the issue challenge? It's asking for the future intelligent shape communication. We found the technology is complex, and the system is integration, and network is intelligent, and the service is diversity. But we have faced several challenges focused on the technical issue. The challenge one is the maritime communication environment, because the ocean wave fluctuation, wave collision, blockage of signal due to the large metal bodies, reduce signal propagation model over the sea, and the most pass due to the surface reflection. Challenge two is the low bandwidth environment. So we have the demands to realize the high-speed web surfing, video conference, shape management, large view transfer, rapid exchange of location awareness, and so on. So the low bandwidth environment would support all of these applications. So we need advanced routing protocol, advanced